In this video, I will be going to talk about directory loader. You have already seen that I have loaded PDF file, text file, but these were the individual files. What if that you have a folder in which lot of files are present? So for that, what you can use, you can take the help of directory loader class. So directory loader helps you to read and load many documents such as txt, pdf, csv, etc. from the folders and subfolders. So for example, inside a folder you may have another subfolder, and in that you have multiple files that can also be loaded automatically using the pattern matching. So there can be many patterns. For example, you can write star.pdf. So if you write star.pdf as pattern, so all the files which have a PDF extension you can load. Similarly, star.txt, star.csv. So like this, you have some patterns. Also, there are many other patterns like you can write data/star.pdf. So what happens is there is a main folder. Inside the main folder, there will be a subfolder whose name is data, right? Inside that, whatever the PDF files are present, that you can load. Or there is one more, you can type star then star.txt, something like this. So you see, when you write star/star.txt means all the txt files you want to load, and it will load all the txt file from the main folder as well as subfolders. So it will load all kind of txt file from main folder as well as subfolders. There is one more which is called star/star. Okay, means any kind of file with any extension. Okay, any kind of file with any kind of extension you can load from the main folder as well as subfolder. So these are the patterns. So based on the pattern matching, you can load the document. So this I will show you practically. So I go to Visual Studio and I will be going to create a new file. I call it as DirectoryLoader.py. And first what I will do, I will write from LangChain_community.documentLoaders import directory loader. Also I am including PyPDF loader because if I show you my scenario, so here what I am doing, I have this LangChain AI folder in which I am creating all my programs. Under that I have a folder called PDF file. Under that I have 5 PDF files. So what I will do, I will load all the 5 PDF files which are present in this folder. And if I double click on this file, you see it is the same file which I used in the previous example. So you see it has 50 sentences and it has 2 pages. This is the first page, and first page has 27 sentences and second page has rest of the sentences. So this is the same file, and what I did, I copied and pasted this file 5 times. So you see file number 2 also have the same data. So you see, this time when I will load this directory, every file will give 2 documents objects. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be total 10 objects. It will be going to give, let's see how many objects it gives when I will be going to load this directory. So I go back here, this folder should be visible PDF files, and all the files are here. So I will be going to load this. So because all my files are PDF, that is why I have included this PyPDF loader. Now what I will do, I will write directory loader. After that, you see, first you have to mention the path, then you have to mention the globe. This globe will have the pattern which I have told you already, and you also need to add loader_cls, which will tell file loader type. So this time my file loader type is PyPDF loader. So these three attributes I will be going to fill. One is path, one is glob, and another one is loader underscore CLS. So let's write it here. So first I will be going to write path. So I will type path here. So my path is the folder name, which is PDF files. Then I will put comma. Then using the globe, I will be going to write the pattern, and the pattern is here star.pdf, all the files having PDF extension. Then after that, loader underscore CLS, and here you see I will be going to write the loader type, which is PyPDF loader. So that's it. My directory loader is created, and I will equate it with the loader object. So my loader object is created. Now I can write loader.load, and it will be going to return me list of documents. So what I will be going to do, I will be going to print those documents, or maybe length of that. So I will write print list of docs, and I will be going to run it. So you see I got 10 because there were 5 files and every file have 2 pages. So that is perfect. And now if you want to see details of any particular file, so what you can do, you can write print list of documents. Let's say I am interested in last document, which is 9, and I am interested in the metadata of it. So if I run this, so you see it is telling me it is the file number 5, and it has total 2 pages, and this is having a page label 2. So all good. I can also display these document objects through loop, because it has 10 document objects like document 1, document object 2, document object 3, and so on, and it is in the form of list. So what I will do, I will use a for loop, and it will point to each and every document one by one, and then I will be going to see the details of each and every document. So what I will write here, I will write for doc in list of docs. After this, I will be going to print the metadata of each and every doc. So I will write doc dot metadata. So first time this doc1 document object 1 will be sent here, and it will display the metadata of it. Second time this document object will be passed to the doc, and the metadata will be displayed. Third time this object will be passed, and also the content also you can display page content, but I'm not showing that. So that's it. So you just run this, and it should give me the metadata of each and every document. There are 2 documents from file number 1, then there are 2 documents from file number 2, and so on. If you want, you can display the page content also. So you can type page content. So lot of data from all the files have been loaded. So hope you understand it, how to work with document loader.